Most professional teams capture every single spoken word of their meetings, yet consistently fail to execute the resulting actions. Instead of clear directives, the typical meeting transcript provides 5,000 words of circular conversation, tangents about the weekend, and half-formed ideas. Manually rereading these dense transcripts to find specific tasks drains a project's momentum before the actual work even begins. For mid-career managers and consultants, the primary struggle is isolating who promised what by next Friday from a wall of unstructured text. Basic summarization merely shrinks the text block down, but extraction pulls it apart, identifying specific intent, task owners, and deadlines. Because Notion AI operates as an integrated layer, those extracted actions drop directly into your active workspace. You don't lose time moving data between applications. Structuring the data within these transcripts directly dictates the execution speed for your entire team. Step 1 is to paste the raw, unedited audio transcript directly into a blank Notion page. Leave the colloquial ums and ahs exactly where they are. Do not worry about formatting or removing conversational filler at this stage. While the formatting is irrelevant, high-quality source audio leads to better AI recognition and significantly improves the baseline accuracy of the output. Next, use the / key to bring up the command menu and select the AI block. Standard requests often result in vague thematic overviews. To get actionable results, you must avoid generic prompts. This image shows the solution, using a specific persona. Type this exact text into the prompt. Act as a project coordinator. Review the transcript above and extract a structured action plan. Assigning a professional persona shifts the AI's analytical framework from passive observation toward active output generation. This diagram shows the expected output of that prompt, a structured table isolating the action items, priorities, assignees, and due dates. To make this list functional, you highlight the table and use the Turn Into command. Selecting Database converts passive meeting notes into an active workflow engine, allowing the team to sort and filter tasks immediately. Despite the speed of the AI, you must still scan for nuanced human details that automated systems can occasionally overlook. For example, a stakeholder might mention a strict budget ceiling during a brief off-topic tangent that the AI might filter out. Always perform a 30-second manual scan against the original transcript to ensure these specifics are captured. The AI provides the rapid structural scaffolding, but human oversight secures the factual integrity of your project plan. This workflow ensures the action plan is ready for distribution exactly 3 minutes after the meeting ends. This clock graphic shows the return on your investment. You reclaim a full hour of administrative work for every hour spent in a meeting. Immediate distribution of this database eliminates the delay often caused by waiting for the minutes. When everyone has clarity on their tasks immediately after a call, individual accountability across the project team increases. The core strategy is simple. Stop summarizing your meetings and start extracting the actions. Copy the project coordinator persona prompt and apply it to your very next meeting call. By mining your transcripts, you convert a record of the past into an actionable roadmap for the week ahead.